Welcome back to the channel for another week and another recipe. Today we're going to make some jalapeno cornbread. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and drop a like. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. Right here we have 4 jalapenos. We're going to cut up 4 jalapenos. We're also going to have 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, and for me I'm using 4 celery stalks. I'm actually going to use this recipe to make some holiday stuffing, which will be the next video I will drop very shortly. Here I'm using some jiffy corn muffin mix. All we want to do is follow the box instructions. I'm using 4 boxes, so I'm following the instructions for 4 boxes. After we get that mixed up, we're going to add 2 cans of cream corn. Now we're going to add our jalapenos, our onions, our bell peppers, and our celery. Adding 1 package of cheese. You can add as much cheese as you would like, depending on how cheesy you want to make your cornbread. And we're going to get our baking pan greased up and floured. We're going to pour that in. And we're going to get this in the oven at 350 degrees for at least 40 minutes. Took an hour for 4 boxes. And this is what we're looking like. Jalapeno cornbread. Very delicious, goes great with chili. And like I said, this is also the recipe I use for my holiday stuffing. Please stay tuned for that recipe, and I will see you later. Enjoy.